Hello, this is the second video about additive manufacturing for the Tech Hub project. So first of all, I will download the file. So we go to the site of the project and download the file, ETL files for our work. And I will go again to learning activities, to the summer school, read more, and go to the files section. And from there, we will download the file that we need. So just click here on this, and we need the second choice. So how you can see for the second one, here is just the solid part and the HDL is missing. Why the HDL is missing, I don't know the exact reason. So, but this is not a problem because we can download the part and we can convert them in okay, number 1, number 4, number 5, sorry, number 1, number 4, number 5. We need number 3 and number 2. Download. So I download 4 of them. And why I think here it's 4. Okay. Let's download and the assembly and try to open it. Yes, in order to see if here are all the components. So I will go to SolidWorks, say open, and I will open it from download because the file now are in download. And let's see if there are all files that we need. Yes, because if there is a missing file, okay, so we head part. We found that the head part is missing. So just suppress this component and the body part and the tail part, 4th, 5th, close. So we had head part, next body, tail, previous body, middle body. So here should be 5 of them, not 4. Okay, so we had one of them. The second body is missing. Oh, too bad. This means we should design it again. Sorry, I will fix this problem. I will add the second body, but for now, let's simulate the printing process with one missing body. So first of all, we will start with Ultimaker Cura. Sorry. So I said that in next video, in this one, we will speak also about how set a new printer. So now here it's set a 3D creator printer. We click on this and here we have the option choose from a list of printers, and how you can see I have just one printer in my list, and here we can manage existing printers or we can add a printer. Let's discuss about manage printers. So I click on manage printers and from here I can make this active printer. I can add another printer or I can rename existing printer. Also, I can update a firmware for this printer or make machine setting. And let's see what machine setting has this printer. So here is the working space on X, Y, and Z. The type of build plate, the shape of build plate is rectangle or elliptic. Origin at center. No, this printer had the origin in a corner. Heated bed. Yes, this printer had a heated bed. Heated wheel. No, it's not heated. And here it's print head setting, and this setting we will not discuss because it's for advanced level. And after that we go to extruder and set up the diameter of nozzle and in most cases you have 0.3, 0.4 and 0.6 millimeters of the nodes, and the most common is 0.4. The material, this is the diameter of filament that we use, and for this printer we use 1.75 millimeters diameter, and that's all. So for this video it's enough. We will add the part that we download, and let me see where is. Sorry, first of all we should open the parts. Yes, and how I can see here is missing one part. Yes, how I said. So first of all we bring the part here and make them STL. Save as. I will go to desktop and say STL. Yes, yes, and that's it. This is my STL. Just open second one. Yes, so again browser for this part and bring second one. This will be the third one. Yes, and save as on desktop, and again STL. Yeah, browser for this one and bring it, but this will be the fourth one because second one is missing, and again convert it in PDF. Sorry, in STL. Sorry about this. And the last one we will convert in STL file in order to can use them in our printing process. Okay, so now all the files are converted. Okay, I will close the software, the SolidWorks, because we don't need it anymore. Go to desktop and bring all files here. And first step is to orient all part on specific surface. So we don't print all this part in this position. So first of all, I select the part, I go to rotate. This is the third icon, click on it and choose the third option, select face to align. Click on it and click on this face. And it just aligned. Click on it, click on it, click and click on it. Yes, after we orient all our parts in necessary position, we just arrange the parts. So we move them, first icon, move them. Yes, and we can insert the coordinate, let's say -20 here and -15 millimeters, sorry, 15. Yes, and for this will be 15 and -20. Yes, and so on. So for each one we can introduce the exact coordinate, or we can adjust them just by clicking on the mouse. Yes, so I put my part on the table, and now we will decide how to print them. But again, about here I open the parameters, and here we have two options. Recommended one, and here we just can select recommended. So here will be the profile, how precise we want that part to be. So let's say 0.15 millimeters per each layer. It will be enough for us. Yes, and here is the grade of infill, 40, 30, and so on. And if we want graduate infill, it will become graduate. If we want some support, we can add some support, and if we need some addition. So here will be just the recommended value for each main parameter from here. But also we have the custom parameters, and here it's a lot of parameters to set up and so on. But about these parameters we will discuss on the next one. So just slice it. See the time that the process will take, 58 minutes, and it will consume 8 grams of material, and it will be 2.69 meter of filament. And of course we have the preview options, and here we can see inside of our part how they will look on printing process, and after that how they will look printed. like this, and you can see this material around the part, and we will discuss in one of the next video what is this and how we can remove this or use another type of adhesion material. Okay, this is how we save it. So I save it on desktop, and it will be articulated toy.g code and save. After that, we move on to the next one, and from here I said that we always will use Zortex M300 Plus because this is the printer that we have a lot of this in our laboratories. We had also another type of printers, but we will discuss just about M300 Plus. So start a new project, repeat add files, and repeat same operations like in previous software. First of all, we upload all files that we want to use. And first step is orient the parts. So click on each part, take the third options from here, from last section of the menu, rotate one, and choose place by face, and also just click on face. Come here, say rotate, place by face, this one. Come here, place by face. Sorry, I don't select the part. Why you let me select the part? Click here, click here. After that, I will look from top and just move them. Yes, and here again, I can move them with mouse, or I can select the coordinates. Yes, so it's your choice how you want to arrange them, but it's very recommended to put them closely one to another and have a result. So go to print settings. Okay, and here we also had two options, normal options. There the customer, the manufacturer recommend some parameters, and we can change depend of the part that we want, and advanced one. And we will create next video with normal and in Cura with recommended. And after that, step by step, we will start to set up the advanced parameters. And now just go to preview and take a look on what we obtain here. Okay, and here also we can look what we obtain with these parameters, and we can go through the parts during the printing process and see how each layers look like, and after that just see the entire part. And after that export again, and just say articulated toy, save, and the file has been successfully exported. And here we had the file. So this will go to the printer that work with Cura, and this will go to the printer that work with Z Suite. And that's it. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye.